Ever heard of a bank that started online and became a powerhouse in Germany? That's comdirect in a nutshell. But with the recent merger with Commerzbank, things get a little fuzzy. How many customers does comdirect actually have? Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of German finance to find the answer. From humble beginnings to digital dominance. Let's rewind. Back in 1994, comdirect started as a pioneer in online brokerage. They were the cool kids on the block, offering a sleek and easy way to trade stocks without getting lost in a maze of paperwork. It was a hit. People loved the convenience, and comdirect's customer base grew steadily, expanding horizons beyond brokerage. Comdirect didn't stop there. They saw an opportunity to become a one-stop shop for all things finance. They added current accounts, savings options, and even investment products. This transformed them from an online broker into a full-fledged digital bank. Talk about a strategic move. The numbers game. How many customers did comdirect have? Here's where things get interesting. In its prime, comdirect boasted over 2.5 million customers. That's a significant number, solidifying their position as a major player in the German financial landscape. But remember, this information is from pre-merger days. The Commerzbank merger, a new chapter. Fast forward to 2019. Commerzbank, a heavyweight in German banking, decided to acquire comdirect. This was a game changer. While the merger promised a powerhouse combination, it also raised a crucial question: what happens to comdirect's customer base? The post-merger mystery: united we stand, but with how many? Unfortunately, there isn't a clear-cut answer to how many customers comdirect has after the merger. Here's why. Merger integration, merging two large institutions, takes time. Customer data needs to be consolidated, and systems need to be integrated. Until this dust settles, it's difficult to get a precise customer count for the combined entity. Focus on the future. The focus of Commerzbank might not be on specifically reporting comdirect's individual customer base anymore. They might be looking at the bigger picture, the total customer base of the merged entity. So, where do we stand? While we can't pinpoint the exact number of comdirect customers post-merger, we know it was a substantial figure before the union. With Commerzbank in the mix, the combined customer base is likely even larger. Looking ahead, a digital banking giant in the making. The comdirect and Commerzbank merger has the potential to create a digital banking behemoth in Germany. With comdirect's digital expertise and Commerzbank's established network, they could become a force to be reckoned with. But how they integrate their customer bases and leverage their strengths will be crucial for their future success. The final word. The exact number of comdirect customers after the merger might remain a bit of a mystery for now. But one thing's for sure, the German financial landscape has shifted, and the combined entity has the potential to be a major player in the digital banking arena. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.